Hi, good morning. Today's story that we're reading is In Our Country by Susan Canizares and Daniel Morton. This is a map of our country. In some parts there are forests, in others there are deserts. In some parts there are beaches, in others there are marshes. In some parts there are rivers, in others there are lakes. In some parts there are canyons, in others there are prairies. In some parts there are snow-covered mountains. Let's take care of our whole country. So here we have a forest. So the forest is a piece of land with many trees. It's home to over 600 different types of animals. They use the forest for lumber for construction, and redwood trees are the tallest trees on Earth. This is a desert. Deserts are dry with very little rainfall and extremely hot temperatures. One of the hottest deserts is in Death Valley, California. The temperature can reach up to 125 degrees. That's super hot. This is beaches. This is a beach. So a beach is a narrow piece of land that lies along the edge of an ocean. Sand, pebbles, rocks, and seashells cover beaches. Famous beaches are found in Hawaii, California, and Florida. This is marshes. Marshes is where tall grasses grow next to rivers or coasts. They are rich in plant and animal life. The Florida Everglades have a mixture of freshwater swamps and marshes. Mountains. The Appalachian Mountains are the oldest mountains in North America. Some mountain ranges are the Rockies, the Cascades, and the Sierra Nevadas. Mount McKinley in Alaska is the highest point in North America. Rivers. Hundreds of rivers across the entire country. Many are controlled by dams, which direct flow of the water, adjusts the water level, and prevents flooding. Some rivers are difficult to control, like the longest river in the United States, the Mississippi River. Lakes. There are many lakes in the United States. Lakes were the route settlers traveled from the east to the rich farmlands of the Midwest. Lakes are important for shipping, fishing, and recreation, which is like fun stuff to do, like kayaking, maybe go boating, stuff like that. Canyons. Canyons form when over 1 million years a river cuts into a rock, carving a deep valley with steep walls. Most are found in the west, like Colorado, Utah, and Arizona. The Grand Canyon in Arizona is a natural wonder that 4 million people visit every single year. Prairies. Prairies are extremely fertile in soil. The Great Plains stretch across the Midwest region of the United States, and they produce grain. Our country is rich in natural wonders, but much damage has been done. Forests have been cut down, swamps have been drained, rivers have been polluted, and soil has been overused and turned to dust. Luckily, starting in 1872 with the creation of the Yellowstone National Park, the government has been putting aside land and protecting our national treasures from development. So I hope you enjoyed learning about our country. Bye.